Doncaster Garage Doors, we have been servicing Yorkshire and the surrounding areas for almost 3 decades. From just a simple call, we will guide you through the process from start to finish to ensure you receive the very highest quality products and service. When you visit one of our extensive showrooms, you'll be greeted by a professional and experienced staff who will provide you with the very best help and advice. We stock a wide variety of garage doors, including up and over, sectional, roller and side hinge doors. And with a vast choice of finishes and designs to choose from, you can be assured that whichever door you choose, it will complement the aesthetics of your home. We cover a wide area including Doncaster, Sheffield, Retford, Gainsborough, Scunthorpe, Worksop, Selby and York. Our services don't end there. We offer a free site survey and will visit you at your home at a time of your choosing. We understand that a caring, personalised service is the key to our customers' satisfaction, and as a family-run business, we go the extra mile. On the day of the installation, a qualified team of installers will visit your home and follow your specifications and requirements to the letter. Attention to detail is what we pride ourselves with, and all work is carried out swiftly and with the minimum of fuss. We never leave a job until you're 100% satisfied, and we'll answer any questions you may have. York and Doncaster Garage Doors. We're just one click away.